Hi all. So what I like to share today is talking about using a silent discussion for reflection. So this is something I used to really enjoy doing at the end of the quarter in my classes. So what I would do is I would take some big sheets of paper or big sticky notes, which you should be able to find in the lecture office as a resource there if you want to take a big sticky pad. And on each one of the notes, I would put the learning objective at the top. So something like, what did you learn about blank? Insert your learning objective. And I would put them throughout the room and have students divide into small groups. So they would start at one sticky note and silently, you can put some music on in the background if you'd like, silently take some time with their, have them ready with a pen or pencil to write down some notes on the sticky note of their responses. Then giving them a few minutes to do that, then you would have them rotate so that they connect to every one of the pages that you have set out with the different learning objectives or prompts. You could even ask them large, big picture questions about how the quarter went or what was impactful for them. That's another way to approach the assignment. And then after that, once everyone's gone through each one of the stations, I really like to have them have a few minutes after that to revisit the stations and then write comments on the comments. So it gives a little bit more of that extended discussion and an opportunity for people to see what other people wrote in a different way and then respond to that as, yes, I agree, or oh, I hadn't thought of that, or what about this thing, or a question. And then at the end of that, after that process, you can have people come back to one as their small group and have some chance to look at it together and piece through what they see. What are some of the larger themes and topics that emerge? What was really coming up for a lot of people in the course? And then they can share that out so that everyone gets a chance to hear more of the summary or some other high level understanding of what was shared. And that's really great feedback for you as well around kind of what's coming up. And at the end of this too, you get, if you want, an artifact of the conversation and some things for you to reflect on in your teaching and how you can iterate on the course in the future. So I hope that that's helpful.